gotta go to Home Depot. You coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, sorry guys. I'm trying to get company. I've been really depressed. I ain't gonna lie. Since the hurricane, before the hurricane reached Jamaica, I've been depressed because I know it was gonna be catastrophic. I knew it was gonna be bad. I don't know if it was going to Kingston or Montego Bay, but whenever the hurricane hit and I'm not there, I wanted to go. My husband told me not to, and then because they wouldn't be able to reach me right now, probably. Um, but that's not the only reason why I didn't go. The other reason is I still have kids here that I got to go to school and I have to worry about, and I didn't want them worrying about me mainly. My safety down there. I ride out hurricanes, and every time after the hurricane, I go home. So that's nothing new. We will rebuild in Jamaica. People are resilient. They will keep on going no matter what. It's just that I know when it gets to the point of like not having water and food, people get hungry and desperate, and they start doing desperate